Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Equip midweight armor for mobility and prioritize blunt or fire weapons because skeletons take more damage from impact and heat. Once loaded, approach on a diagonal to bait single attacks rather than a swarm. Make sure to keep one hand free for a stun item. Use it immediately after their first swing to create an opening. Transition fast into high-damage strikes while keeping distance. This minimizes stagger and preserves potion usage for clutch moments. Once engaged, focus on control. Parry light attacks to force a 3-second damage window and then unload 2 heavy strikes. You should alternate with a dash to reset position and avoid counterattacks. This maintains momentum and reduces incoming hits. Make sure to deploy ground traps or knockback spells to split groups so you only face one skeleton at a time. When done, reset your stamina and repeat the stagger chain. Rhythm matters because predictable timing breaks their AI recovery. You finish fights by reserving a fire burst or blunt finisher for armored skeletons that shatters defenses and prevents reassembly. Once a group is down, sweep for any reanimators and loot quickly. Make sure to heal up to around 80% before pushing. If things go wrong and you get overwhelmed, fall back to a choke point, heal, and pick off stragglers. Troubleshoot. If your stun keeps failing, swap to a faster weapon to interrupt earlier. This immediately improves control and reduces potion drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.